This one got blasted in this right rear corner. I have a Dodge Ram here. This one got blasted in this right rear corner. It destroyed this whole corner of the bed.
Wow!
You can see how all of this is completely folded up, buckled up in here. So it's going to be getting basically this whole entire side replaced, as well as this rear panel piece. However, first I have it up on the frame rack because I want to pull all this out and get everything just kind of close to where it's supposed to be before I start cutting it apart. Otherwise I might have problems fitting the new parts up whenever I get to that point. So I'm going to grab this in a couple ways and try to walk that out, and then I will take the truck back down, lift the bed off the truck, and start cutting it apart. And I'll show you guys how all my new parts come whenever I get to that point. All right, I have the bed off the truck now, ready to cut apart. I have my inner structure here. This goes inside of there. You'll be able to see it better once I get it cut apart. This is my corner piece right here. That's another brace that goes in there. Then I have the inner bed side, the outer bed side, and this is the rear panel right here, which goes all the way across the back. So I'm going to dive into this and start cutting it apart. I'm going to have to dig out some of the bed liner. It goes all the way across here. That's the seam where the center panel goes in, and then also across here. So I went ahead and I sat this rear sill piece in so I could go ahead and go through and mark where all of my welds are. Then I will lift it back out and get it all prepped out